Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's a boy Kimari. So you don't know, if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Click that like button and please leave a comment.
Where I come from, everyone's happy, but them bring we beyond, don't I carry beyond, take we to a place where everyone's crying, whoa, whoa, where I come from, everyone.
Yeah guys, you don't know the vibe. Today I'm about to do some curry chicken. Right here in my bowl I got some chopped up chicken thighs all cleaned. You don't know, I got some bell peppers, thyme, green peppers, onion. I have some scallion. Can't have curry without some ginger. You see me? And I got some hot pepper. You see me? You don't know. And also I got the best pack of, better pack curry powder. Yeah, next we are going with some all-purpose Maggi season. 1 pack. You see me? Just 1 pack. Second, we're going in with some chicken flavor artificial powder seasoning. That would be like 1 pack or 2 tablespoons. Thirdly, we are going with some Gaia all-purpose seasoning. Again, you don't have to use this, but I do. Next, after you chop and you mince up all your veggies and stuff, you're going to dump that all in, like all in. When I said all in, guys, I mean all in. You feel me? Yeah guys, I'm also going in with 3 cloves of garlic. You could mince it or you could just put it in just like that. And afterwards, you're gonna make love to that bowl and ensure all the seasoning and spices and everything is infused inside of the chicken. You don't know the vibe. You see me? Yeah guys, I know you probably be wondering like, where is the curry? But here you go. The curry is the last thing I do when I'm doing my mixture. So I'm adding a pack and a half, which that will come out to about like 2.5 tablespoons of curry powder, because you want that curry to be looking rich and nice. Say it with me, rich and nice. You get me? So after you get that curry powder on in your bowl, you're gonna be making love to that bowl once again. You're gonna mix it all in. Say it with me, mix it all in. Yeah, you don't know. And there's one more thing. You're gonna add some pimento seed inside your mixture. Then again, you're gonna mix that all in, guys. Say it with me, mix it all in. Cause you gotta put love in it, or else it ain't gonna come out good. You see me? So you have to make love to your meal. Ensure all of the seasoning and spices all mellow inside of that. You get me? Look at how beautiful this is. My God. Yeah, look, one more time. Beautiful. Look at all those veggies and spices. So yeah guys, after that lovely mixing, making love to that chicken thigh in that bowl, you don't know, I had my chicken marinating for 24 hours. You get me?
24 hours later.
Yeah, so you gotta have your oil hot. Also add a little bit of curry powder to the oil, and you're just gonna dump that all in. While it all into the pot, you're going to keep that heat at like medium heat, and you're gonna make the chicken go and spring its own water.
Chicken, you know? Nice.
For me, I don't really add water unless it's necessary. You get me? But yeah, after I dare springing it on liquor water and thing, it should be looking like this. You gotta keep the heat on a medium fire, cause you don't want it burn. You get what I say? You keep it on a medium fire, and you go and make it cook. You go cover the pot and go and make it cook. This should be cooked for like within like 25 to 30 minutes max. You get what I say? If you see the water drying out before the chicken has cooked, all you're going to do is just tip a little bit of warm water on it and make it finish cook, and the gravy get thick up. You get me? So after 25 minutes, guys, this is my result. You know, voila, food all cooked, looking nice and thing. Is it? What's in my pot? What's in my pot stays in my pot. Curry chicken in my pot. What you know me of kalaloo, kalaloo and papcha. Kalaloo, man. I don't know. Right here we got some nice tea and butter basmati rice. You know the vibe. We eating good around here. You see me? So yeah, big up on yourself. Thanks again for everyone that watched my video to the end. Also guys, thanks for the subscribe, the likes and the comments and stuff. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. You know, I appreciate it. One love.